Yo, yo,
Hello, guys.
what's going on, big boy?
Oh,
The
one,
big, the
one second,
biggest,
so I couldn't get my
the
odds.
biggest bull on the market, bro. What's going on, man?
Yo, can you hear me?
Yeah,
What are you doing?
um, I done this. I'm just going to, cause we just had a dump, so I'm showing the team basically what to look for in a long and in a short, cause you know that's weakness to be honest with you. But I'm scalping anyway, and I'm risk free. What are you doing?
I just finished work.
Oh, nice. Work from home.
Yeah, working from home. That's why I was charting so much today. I was like, fuck, it's so hard to work and chart.
Hang on, how do I do this? If I invest this, so it looks like this, like this. Yeah. Then you do the exact same thing in the red. Yeah, that's mad. This. I just want us to be able to identify. Like you can buy, you could still short weakness. Like you could still like short the red and long the green. Where did you go? Did my internet die again? Oh,
Nah, you're good. I was just eating.
okay. I think it is everyone is having their little lunch break.
4:30, bro.
Ah, down there. I saw Whittleton was saying, he's like, oh shit, oh no, he wants to buy some lunch. Quick, something sweet.
Did you get into Blur?
Huh?
Did you buy Blur?
Blur? Why blur?
Oh, I entered Blur.
What
It's
for?
in the group chat.
Really?
It's looking bullish.
On what time frame?
1 hour.
Oh shit, it is too, on the hourly.
Mhm.
I literally asked before, can anyone find me a bullish chart?
Bro, I put it in the Traders Alpha.
Oh really?
I was working.
Oh shit. There we go. Oh, 20 minutes ago.
Hmm.
Where's the super trend? Yeah, super trend is bull. Oh fucking hell, bro. That's exactly what I was looking for. Something that looks like a BTC. I'm gonna do more trades live. I'm just gonna run this account turbo, man. I'm sick of this fucking.
Are you getting out of BNB?
Nah. Just in general, like I'm starting to trade more live. Like we can do our swing positions. That's fine on the 4 hourly. I think you guys are very well equipped now, so you guys are not gonna get wrecked if I start trading 1 hour chats.
Dude, I am so annoyed this morning. Place all
You're
these
annoyed. You are, bro. You woke me up, right? It's like rate hikes. Rate hikes. Pause. All right. This is what I thought. I looked at my position. Oh, cool. Nothing happened. But then like I fell asleep, right? And I thought, oh yeah, I'm alright. We should be alright. My position should be alright. Guess what happened? Fuck. I had my BTC
yeah.
long open. I had my BTC long open, and man,
The
fucking hell.
conference,
I've just,
man.
huh?
It's usually the conference. It's like the rate hike. Yeah, it has a little like the first
Pause.
half an hour. It's very volatile. But the second J Powell starts talking, every word will move markets.
I
And
know that. Believe me, I know that.
so
But it's so annoying, yeah? Like, it was so annoying for me. Is that a bull flag on BTC?
BTC still looks very bearish to me.
Don't worry about the long term, man. I'm trading a 5 minute chart here, bro.
Degen. Okay, let's have a look. 5 minutes. Oh, it's green.
I've been long since the beginning of the stream, rather, like the early stages. I'm only up $10 right now on like $260.
Mean.
But I'm
Hey, yo,
trying. Yo, the whole team is here. Bullish.
bullish.
I mean, if you're doing 5 minutes, you can look at Cardano as well, I guess.
What is this? When did we turn into a bunch of scalpers?
You just started the 5 minutes. I look at 1 hour.
I can't help it, man. I saw BTC get bids on the hourly, like at the beginning of the stream. And after
It's
that,
just itchy.
yeah, on the Ichi, right, like right there, right? That's when I entered, yeah? And I said, I'm gonna enter there with easy invalidation below, targeting 25241, right? Or as low as 25168. The max pain for bears is 25525.55. Fuck. Why does that have to be so difficult? There you go. But it's curling. I think we're gonna be a little bit of a bull flag there. A mini bull flag, I guess. I don't know. I don't really look at pattern shit, like, to be honest with you, man.
I mean,
I only
at
look at
5 minutes, it's a bit green.
15 minutes.
No. 5 minutes seems like a lot of things
No.
are green.
Yeah, 15 minutes. 15 minutes is edge to edge for BTC. Enter, range, up there, thin. What happens with thin cloud, boys? We destroy
I
them.
forgot. Is it like?
Like
Is it changing?
This area here is a change of character. At the first sign of heartbeat here. Bull. But that just popped up now though. Like, I'm not gonna take full credit saying like, oh hey, I predicted it's gonna be bullish in the future. No. I just saw the potential a bull cross there, and it happened. That like, this is based more on like it's on support. Like, it went up, it tested support inside value area low, and targeting a VWAP here, and then value area high, VAH. You guys need to learn. You guys need to learn
You
VWAP
should
here.
write.
It's so easy.
You
Anchored
you
VWAP.
should write like a small dictionary, trading dictionary.
Oh, for fuck's sake. One by one, bro. I can't even speak properly. You want me to write a dictionary?
Nah, bro. Like just give us the terminology so we can search it up ourselves.
VWAP. Boom. There you go. So simple. If we're gonna be range trading these little dumps and pumps in scalps, there's money to be made here, guys. Like there's so much money to be made here. That's up there 1%.
Wait, so what does that do?
VWAP. It finds the
Okay,
value
wait.
area.
Right.
Alright,
And what are the
guys.
3 lines?
Oh well, the value area low. Fucking tongue twister. Value area high, and then the middle one is the VWAP, a VWAP, which is the mid range. Now I talked about this on the daily before. Big VWAP there. Oh fuck, let me turn off all this noise, man. I hate noise, bro. Finding confluence only in like big time frames, maybe just like, but don't let it cloud your judgment. This is a
Well, yes.
VWAP. This is a VWAP I dragged from the bottom of the bear market. Bottom on the daily chart. Okay, we've broken, like, we were trading above it, which is bullish. It acted as support, similar to the Ichimoku Kumo cloud. Okay, now what's gonna happen? The bulls have 2 jobs here: reclaim 25241 and 25549. This is why we're catching bids here. Bulls are fighting for their life right now. Like they're on lifeline. There's bulls that bought this breakout and they have to defend it. Or rather, they have positions up here that is currently underwater. That's why they're bidding. That's why they're swapping. Like swapping is timely weighted. Timely weighted. Oh, for fuck's sake.
Bro, you're right, mate.
Average price. TWAP. Okay. It's a pricing algorithm used to calculate average price of an asset over a set period of time. Okay. And there's VOP. Volume weighted average price. I like VOP better.
Okay, what about DYDX? Does that look bullish to you?
Okay. Before
A
we do
5
that,
minute?
I don't know if Indu is still here. The guy is always on. He's always grinding. I'll be surprised if he's not here. I basically posted on trading resources.
Strength and weakness.
You see this. Look at trading resources. Okay. Look at things to long.
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can hear you.
Just take a look at that. Just for reference. Don't overly complicate it. It's just for reference, okay? When you're looking at charts. So BTC just dumped, and in order for it to be bullish again, it needs to go back up and reclaim 26,123, the bare minimum to show strength. Yeah. While if we went, and the reason why I also do the weakness part here is there is a chance that we will possibly do the same thing here. We could also test these levels again to see if it's weak or not. If it's weak, we short it. But at the same time, these dumps, they're not gonna go untested. But clearly, there's a lot of selling pressure up there. I don't know if Trader AZ is right, like regarding like big accounts that wants to get out. But why do they want to get out? Are they just trying to scare us? Or is SZ trying to scare us because he wants to buy? But that looks like a rounded bottom, to be honest with you.
I feel like there's also that psychology part as well, where everyone is kind of the consensus is like 25,000, right?
It's not a. It's on top of consensus. The reason why there is consensus on 25, 25 200, 25 1, right? It's plus minus that area, or even arguably the first one was 25 534. The simplest chart to look at is the one that I posted before on I think it was in Traders Alpha. Just simple charts, bro. Like, don't overcomplicate things like this. We're trying to find support. The first place to find support is here at 25,241, and we're currently trading underneath it. So if we close above 25,241 by tomorrow morning, this weekend, it's going to pump. It's going to scam pump.
BTC?
If BTC closes above 25,241
Yeah,
on the daily,
It will
it's going.
perform the weekend show.
It would be the weekend show. Now, one or two things is going to happen. A lot of whales can easily liquidate the coin of their choice in regards to liquidating bears. Very easy. You know how many shorts need to close if we reclaim 25241? Because there is a lot of people shorting right now. Is it not?
Yeah.
Let's be real here. How many people are you just using basic horizontal support line and resistances?
Almost everyone.
99% of people that trade is using that first, yeah? Now,
Well,
with
that's a higher number than I thought, but yeah, okay. Got
90,
your point.
right? Like 150% of the traders are looking at this same chart that we're looking at here. Now, if you are bullish, you will defend this position. While people that like that got back lower, that got in lower, are probably trying to distribute their bags here now, trying to push it lower so they can buy lower. The people that are buying here have either already exited here and have a little bit of their moon bag left and just trying to redistribute what they can have like down here and every little pump.
Yeah.
But just not to complicate things, if we close above daily 25241, boom, it's fine. We're going to attempt to close this. I'm confident. It's not an if, but the only if is this: if we close above 2541, it's just a matter of when it's going to be closed. This liquidity here, take out the stops here, take out this dickhead here, take out all these fuckwits, all the way up until here. So this might be a small trade that I'm taking, but if I can still take a trade here and do a 3% as first TP only, or maybe TP1, TP2, exit.
Yeah.
Deviation play, or dare I say, if we look at the weekly, oh man, that's not good. Oh bro, that's not good.
Why?
Look at the price now.
It's broke. The conversion.
That's so not good. Now,
Wait, what am I looking at?
This conversion line.
Oh, right. So it's
That's-
above?
It's
price?
under right now.
Wait, I'm confused. Under what?
We are under conversion right now, weekly conversion.
Nah, you lost me, bro.
What chart are we looking at here? This is the weekly candle.
Oh,
This
the weekly candle is under the conversion. Right.
this is the conversion here, the blue line.
He got it. He got it.
Oh, bro.
I was like, what am I looking at?
If we do not reclaim this line by 3 days and 10 hours, it's not an if, it's when will we test VWAP? When will we test value area, the val? When are we gonna test the val and the VWAP? That's it.
Because we will enter and confirm his range. We will play inside his range, right?
We will play inside his range. We will be confirming it 3 times. This is the first one. This is the val. No, this is the VAH. Okay. This is the VWAP. This is the VAL. Okay. I hate saying it because it's giving me a tongue twister. But if we confirm to close the weekly,
VWAP high, VWAP low, and VWAP.
okay,
Yeah. Okay.
VAH, VWAP, VAL, we will play this range, similar to edge trading on the Ichimoku.
Yeah, kind of. So like it reminds the cloud.
Gulag, bro, gulag. It's gonna drop 30%. If BTC drops 30% as the last point of pain, a minimum of 14%. If BTC drops 14%, what will else do? Let me paint a picture. BTC dropped 3% on the weekend, Ethereum dropped 5% on the weekend, EOS dropped 47%, Solana Matic dropped 57%. And there's still room to move. There's still room to move. Someone is going to the gulag. And it's not going to be me. It's going to be AVAX.
You reckon?
If we lose
Got
this
some
level,
coins that if you want to check it out.
if what we want is to find coins that are about to break down with gap to be filled. Yeah, I'm bullish. I'm bullish on AVAX, but I want to buy AVAX at $3. It's like, does that mean I'm bearish, or does that mean that I have a different price perspective on what's fair and what's not?
I sent some coins in the chat if you want to have a look and see if they're worth scalping.
Scalping? Okay, we're
Yeah.
talking about scalps now. Okay, so let me just finish off on the higher time frame. But if we break this box, bro, AVAX still has room to move. If we're looking at it from a downward point of view, if you have spot, be prepared to lose another 60% downward movement.
God damn.
There's still 61% to move. Like what I said, you think the move downwards before was bad? Like, that's on spot. This is what the measurement is on leverage. 157% on leverage will make money. That's without leverage. You can do 1x and you'll make that move. That's just painting the picture on me being a complete fuckwit of a bear, right? But the reality is, if we just turn off everything on the like this, just outline it like this, guys. Basic charting. What would you do if this was a 5-minute chart? Riddleton, what would you do if this was a 5-minute chart? Would you place your longs here, or would you wait? His internet is dead again. Where are you buying? Where are you buying L? If this was a 5-minute chat.
I don't really know. Eh?
Well, let me help. Deviation. Deviation. This would be a fair value to long. And that's it. I'm not trying to be an ultimate bear. I'm just giving people what they don't like to hear. I guess it's the truth. And this is the truth.
And so those lines are the support and resistance lines.
Yes, yes, yes. This is look, okay. This is the point where prices bounce. Yes. Breakout, retest, rally, breakdown, hold, big demand there, send, up, and then when we broke, what happened to us? We went to the gulag. Now, we tried to reclaim that level again, which was 27,893. We failed. We engulfed that last candle, and done that. Now, the bulls defended one more time, and it failed to print a new higher high, losing levels at the last order block here. If it's in a smaller time frame, this would be a level that you short. Okay. Now, what the professionals do is they outline things like this. All right. They identify invalidation points. They don't just blindly short, right? If you went to short here, you're gonna get burnt. What if the price kept on going out? You're just gonna be covering your shorts. Okay. What do? We identify this level, invalidation, and then the real alpha bears would have shorted here, and they're targeting this level.
But you would have waited for the candle to close, right?
Yeah, this one.
Yeah.
And it closed as a SFP with demand. Yep. As a matter of fact, you could have even shorted it again here when it broke down underneath in a lower time frame. But this is a weekly time frame, right? Now, I said to you guys before, what will you do if this was a 5-minute chart? I would short it. This is a 2.71 trade. So why am I showing this chart? Is because I want to be able to identify all the this is and if this was a 5-minute chart, this would be TP1, TP2. The fact that the TP1 is there is so scary. There. Or if you know, if we shorted from up there, this could have been TP1. There. The full trade in a 5-minute chart. But we're looking at weekly. Show me where there's strength on this chart. There isn't.
And how do you define strength?
This.
Right.
Weakness. Up. If this was strong, it would have kept going up, wouldn't it? And I mean, if it was really strong, it would have done this. But we didn't. Now, zoom out. I'm still bullish on crypto because we haven't made a lower low. Here, higher high, higher high, higher high, low, lower low. If you're looking at a zoomed out, this is bullish. There's nothing bearish about this. I'm just saying temporarily. Could pull back. Could pull back to 15. And I swear to God, guys, if we pull back to 15 and none of you guys load up on spot, I'll be very upset. Because this is gonna take a while to play. Especially if we reach 19,378, and no one defends that position in like, because that was 2017 high. And look what happened here. Very similar to our chart right now. Then it rallied. So we could do the same thing again here. What if we just done this, like this, even like this, then reclaim that, and then reclaim that, and try to do this, pull back, big pullback, go up here, wipe like just a straight liquidation candle, and then just bounce up. I don't know, just talking abstract here based on previous price actions. Like, even if you did catch this move from the bottom at 15 and made another 100%, you're laughing. Put $1,000, you're up $2,000, $300, things like that. Yeah. So with that being said, if that is on the higher time frame that we are looking at going down, I'm not holding back on shorting things like, you know, BNB. Oh shit, what happened to my BTC? Oh lol. I was talking about all this stuff. I forgot to take a look that they started selling on spot. Whoops.
Oh yeah, they did.
I wish someone told me.
I just saw a red candle on Matic, and I was like, ooh.
Who sold here, fucking assholes? Anyway, I'm risk free. Where are we now though? Let's look at that trade. Let's revisit that trade on the 15 minute. Yeah, this is where I would have closed it.
Wait, how do you know? Is it because the conversion?
Yeah.
The price closed under the conversion.
Absolutely.
Yeah. So it would be the opposite for long then, right?
This is the long. This was my long. My BTC.
So like, for example, if you were on a bear and then you
Yeah.
had a long, and then
You want to know where to short BTC? I'll show you here. Remember, I always talk about confirmations, bro. I love preaching it, right? Here we go. You want to short it? Wait for a close underneath here. 24,870, and just keep riding it to 23. Wait, or fuck it, just wait for a close on an hourly underneath this. We could still bounce. 25,952, 29. Oh fuck, 1 second. 29,555. Oh shit, I might get stopped out here. Whatever. I could always go back in as long as I'm risk free.
Oh, there you go. The FUD about USDT.
Don't worry about that, fam. You missed out. I thought you were there. Bro.
I'm here. I was here. I was listening. I just
Oh
was
really?
muted.
You were
My
eating?
dog was my dog was barking all over because my neighbors went out and he hate
Man.
him. And if I let him go, he will eat him alive. So I would must to keep him in.
Well, spot started selling again. This is BOS. Break of structure. Wait for the next move up. Short.
Yeah.
so pretty much it's support and resistance line, and if it crosses the support line, then short.
You don't like I said, like when it comes to shorts, right, or even longs, just wait for confirmation. There's no sense in there's no sense in catching you catching a bullet when it's flying in regards to longs, shorting the strength, and there's no point catching a knife when it's dropping at all. Just wait.
Right, so pretty much just wait for it to retest, see if it still goes through, and then
Yes,
if it
bro.
doesn't, then
So I'm still bullish here. I need to wait. Here. Where's my value area? Where's my val? Where's my Valium? Where did it go? Why the fuck did I delete it anyway? View up. Open it up again. View up.
Yeah.
yeah.
You was disconnected for a few seconds. It's fine. He's almost out of bitcoins. Yeah, he can keep fighting as much as he wants. People have lost trust in him, that way or that way. If no one's buying someone loyal, no one's buying his Binance, CZ is doomed. Yeah, at the first time we started to talk, I saw your longs about BNB, and when you started to talk about BNB, like he was bullish about it. Well, I was too, yeah. I didn't thought that this thing could happen to Binance, but there you go.
Well, it dropped, but it's still above entry price. So look at the 1 hour chart. Tomorrow's a Friday. For Bitcoin. I mean, summer's coming up. People probably go on holidays. Maybe no one's trading. What's this? 1 hour? Why does it look bearish? Yeah. Mm.
It looks like it's deeping dive. Is doing a deep dive towards the 8.6.
Colombia Central Bank partners with Ripple to explore using blockchain. Interesting. Let's have a look at XRP. No, nothing has changed. Oh mate, I'm out of NFTs.
To be honest with you, the airdrops is the weak part of mine because I didn't search for them. I am only focused to like. I tell you what. What is my dog doing?
There's no
Okay,
fundamentals in fucking.
like when I want to buy a project, when I buy an NFT, I go inside the community, I check out the Discord, I check activity, I check the people, I check the founders, I do a research about the founders. If there's any something even tiny thing suspicious, I'm out. No way. If I want to keep it a long term and not for a pump, I'm out. No way. So strong community, first of all. Strong community, first of all, but the NFT must do something if it's need to remain a decent floor price, yeah? So the problem in NFTs, most of the people looking for profits, like flips, quick flips, and they crashing floor prices of a good project out there. So it's a problem. Both ways. So yeah, like if you buy a bored ape or a mutant, you know, this is the best chances you have to gain something big in the future when the bull run starts. At this point, from the last time I was sniffing around Bored Ape Yacht, yeah, like my conclusion was that Mutant was a good buy at those days, like 2 months ago. I don't know where's the floor price today, but I need to research again. This is my point of view. Yeah, someone else will tell you something different because this is their point of view, and that's fine. This is how it works. Me lady, I have no idea. I have no idea. I didn't even look at that project. Like I didn't have time. I was busy in learning. Still busy in learning.
Hmm? Oh yeah, what about it? Yeah. The NFT market is dead. Everyone's gone off. They're doing ordinals now, but that's pretty much the same thing as fucking. It's just quick flips. There's no project. There's nothing. It's just making quick money.
So after a while being in a Typhoon Tiger, what do you think about the people, the community, if you have looked at them, talked to them? What's your opinion about the Tigers? Hey, you had the chance to speak with a few of them? Yeah, all the time. Not all of them. There's the main core of people that is active every day. Yeah. I believe in the founder. Like Mirza is the real thing. Is a man. He stands by his word. Yeah. Amen. I wonder how it will look like in the bull market. We just will like our technical analysis will be much easier. Uh, Correct me if I'm wrong. So we just need to be accurate at our entries and we're good to go. Have a money machine in our heads. Yeah, yeah, like the messages. I got it. When this is the opposite way you. Uh, Alpet, Alpet.
Yeah.
Uh, I see that you have a PFP of Llamaverse.
Oh yeah, I'm in Llamaverse, but I bought it very high though.
You are.
Yeah, yeah.
It's a cool thing to hear. The founder is still the same?
Oh, I don't engage in it anymore.
Uh,
I used to be in it
you're not
to
an engager. Yeah, cool. Nice. Oh, you know what's
yeah.
floor price this stands for now, right now?
Oh man, it's probably pretty shit. But I got a couple other ones that I bought that. I mean, everything tanked. So I mean,
Yeah,
honestly,
everything is tanked. Of course, but you know how much did they tank?
oh, a lot, like 90%. Well, I bought it at 3.5,
Yeah, NFT market is like way down right now.
and
Way
now
down.
it's like
Like, is
now
there
it's like
any trading volume in those days?
nah. I also bought a Dead Fellas as well.
I think something happened to my Wi-Fi.
Yeah, still here.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I asked you
Yeah,
if there's any volume in OpenSea in those days, or is
yeah.
everything on Blue?
No, it was pretty much the same. It was quite static because it ran up to what it floor price was one. No, market price was point 0.2. It ran up to 7 E, and it dropped down to like 3.5. I bought it, and then now it's dropped down to I think like 0.3 or something.
Wow. No joke. Wow.
Yeah, I mean I bought a lot of random stuff as well, so yeah, it is
I
what it is.
It's crazy. Like I was tried to trade NFTs. Like I did some flips in those days, when we still had volume in OpenSea, and I was like doing flips, buying from Gem, like
Yeah,
yeah, and selling on X2 Y2, I think,
yeah.
with no fees. And this was good days with good profits until it started to die. Like that's there was nothing. Wow, yo, you could have make a lot, a lot of money because you work with technical analysis for a long time, and if you do this, and it's get easy for you, so you would. Well, if you was about to make flips, like hourly flips, then I think so, yeah, like 100%, because you have you have tools for NFTs, like websites, for example, if I'm not wrong, well, I did it in my tabs for trade, but OpenSea Pro, okay? So if you go to OpenSea Pro, the new OpenSea with the blended with Gem, they have everything you need, like like a charts and buying orders, everything. Not in orders. You cannot long or short. You can do like buy sell, and you need to analyze based on the previous activity, if it's a support or
But
resistance. Like
but but,
you go.
but I think that's a different game though, because
Yeah, it's
with
different. Like how
with
can I explain it?
well, the thing is with NFT trading is you need to think about gas. That's the main problem. So
Yeah.
even if you were to trade, um, you know, you want to buy at the lowest prices, but you're going to get wrecked because everyone's buying at the lowest prices, and people have bots. And then you also, every time you fail a transaction, you pay gas, and gas fees are high. So you probably, if you go with that strategy, you might actually end up losing more money from failed transactions. Yeah,
That's
back then a lot of
yeah.
gas was wasted. A lot of ETH was wasted on gas.
Like half a year ago, 6 months, 7 months, even a year ago, the gas fees was like low, $2 at the morning or at the night at my place, and maximum $7. You remember the time, Albert, when it was like that
Yeah,
low? So yeah, at those times it was easy to do flips, but now when the gas fees is like getting to $15 and 100, and like in the previous bull market when you had the hyper beast, you had such a high gas fees, but it was worth it at the time. But now it's like you gotta think 10 times before you buy a project. Wow, the
yeah.
floor price
Nothing is
has
not
dropped.
nothing is worth it.
Yeah, nothing. Uh, Yeah, I don't give a lot of attention to the floor price, because if you go up, hmm, like the only 5% listed from 948 owners, with
But
20
honestly, like,
24 24% of unique owners.
because like
I love
NFT ultimately in the end is a membership, right? It's a membership to a private community, and depends on the community itself how it's driven. You know, right now you've got like, have you heard of Colosseum?
how
Like
again?
Colosseum?
Colosseum? No, no.
Yeah. So a lot of NFT projects, you know, started off as picture art, then they started moving into alpha groups, and they started getting into metaverse. Then after metaverse, it was like degen, and now
Yeah.
it's just been oversaturated that every project that comes out has one of these elements. But what's the point when you have all these other projects that have these elements and they have more money?
You know what? Like you see those tigers on the screen? You see this project? You know what's the beauty of this thing? We are not the project is not offering you a metaverse player, a free merchandise. It's not offering you anything, but it tells you we have community, we have a purpose to donate money to tigers, to save tigers, real tigers, and they did it always two times. Yeah, in the past days. You can ask for Mirza for links because it was a long time ago. And every time they can raise some money, they donating to tigers. And Mirza is working on an meeting app, like a global meeting app, and he trying to connect it with NFTs at some point. So it's not offering any of those, you know, what the other project is offering and selling us like a metaverse thing and you know all the good stuff, the dreamy stuff out there. So this one is unique. I don't know. I tried to get you one of those, but there's none of those for sale at that moment. Like, yeah, crazy.
Dude, that's over a grand. That's a grand.
Sasha Mirza. Huh. Maybe not. I don't think. Maybe I'm not sure. Maybe I have a few wallets. I don't think that Mirza is selling any. We can ask him. Um, check his wallet. Aloha. It's oh yeah. It is him because Aloha is his wife. Most of the times, like from what I remember, airdrops like blur. You had blur airdrops, and they did it only for those who traded in their platform. So the stages, you trade the amount of times with a certain volume, you get to a level when you can be airdropped a certain amount of something or a surprise box. I don't know. I don't remember about what they did it, but as much as you trade on in their platform, you gain volume and trading volume. So you're getting advanced in your amount of airdrops you're getting. I think so. I'm almost sure that that was it in that situation.
As in if you were buying.
So question is, who's aping into BNB longs? I'm sure it's not. Oh, where? It's not. It's not. It's BTC. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It's my confusion. On Binance. Yeah, it's my on my confusion. Yeah, exactly. So they gonna exhaust the market. They gonna exhaust it. They gonna make everybody think that BTC goes to zero. They gonna they gonna try so hard because they know that there's some players out there that is all already been in this cycle. They 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 think how can they give a I think a like how can I say it? Like they wanna do it much painful than it was before. So they like this is my feeling. So they gonna try to exhaust everybody. There's gonna be FUD, BTC to zero, and everything like that. Blah 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 blah. But it depends because right now there's not such not much noise about BTC dumping.
Well, you need to transact on their network. That's the main thing. So pretty much, for example, the ZK Sync, so you will need to bridge Ethereum into ZK Sync testnet. You then need to trade, so maybe mint some NFTs, do some sort of, I don't know, donations. There's a lot on YouTube actually on like, you know, how to farm airdrops. Yeah, but then the thing is, it's not confirmed, right? People, it's all hype, like people are just speculating that if you do all this, the more you trade, then the more chances of you getting an airdrop. But then that's the risk that you have to go through, because how much are you going to spend in order to actually get something? You don't. That's what I'm saying. It's because you don't know. Like, right? I think it was like 2 months ago, people were already talking about ZK Sync. It still hasn't happened.
Like I'm looking at the project that is now in trending collections in OpenSea. Absolutely fucking garbage. Each of one of them. Yeah.
Well, the second one is okay. The second one is like a rider's. I think it's
Yeah, a few of them is
part of
fine, but
the.
like most of them is. But
So I think that project is where like they're creating a media company. So when you purchase, you get to be part of a story or some sort of IP. I don't know.
NFT, it's a lot of fundamentals in this game. I remember the grinds in Discord to get the whitelist. What a hype. Yeah.
No man, but I just feel like you shouldn't waste your time on it.
There is even worse cases when you accidentally sign a suspicious contract and tomorrow and the day after all your wallet is drained away. That's how I said bye bye. No, no.
No.
Maybe one of them, but it's not like Bored Ape, it's not related to them. Most of the time it's a useless ape. Because like if you deep dive into this project and you see what it offers, well, there's pretty high chance.
Bro, that's total. But then if you look, it's already like down 50%.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Because back then it was trading around 100.
19,
There's the
100.
activity,
Yeah.
there's the analytics.
I wonder myself, is whales are like loading apes right now.
Yeah. And then you know how top right last 7 days change it. On the top right, change it to like I don't know last night. Oh, you can't even go all the way back. There you go. Look, even last 90 days, it was close to 70.
If you go up, you see that the floor price now is 46.6.9. This is the left one. If someone buys it, if someone buys this ape, the first one on the left, the yeah, exactly. This is how it goes. So let's say a little buy pressure will maybe give a increase. It will increase the floor with the. You see.
But they go through a lot of legal troubles anyway for that yacht club.
They are they, they are in illegals.
Hmm?
With who? With who?
Well, the thing is, they released the ape coin, and ape
Oh,
coin they cannot stake in the US, which is ironic because the founders are from US. Because the US said that if you stake it, it's like securities. I don't know, something like that. And also recently, like Pay, and also you know the dog, or like or whatever. They just found out that the skull that they were using was a copyright from someone else's artwork. Yeah.
wow.
No, the logo. Or was it Bored Ape Dog Club? I don't know. Bored,
Oh,
Bored
let's
Ape
see
Kennel
what
Club.
about mutants.
Nah, that was their second collection.
It's
Yeah.
oh, it's a ninth floor now. 98th floor. Oh,
That's still like 20,000.
shit, what happened? NFT market is on the edge. Right on the edge.
I
It
think it's
feels that.
oversaturated.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, listen, this is not good. It's a good time to build communities, not to trade NFTs, that's right.
Mm. What about Polkadot? You reckon it's gonna go lower? That's what I'm thinking. Like, I don't think it will go that low. I mean, what about Matic as well? Are you still holding your short Wilton on Matic?
I was in a short and I closed it a few hours ago.
Okay.
I'm still in the short in BNB. Why? I will explain to you why. I'm uploading the chat.
What about
Uh,
Redna?
to be honest, I don't know. I don't know why I exit Matic. I guess I was happy with the profit, and maybe I will search for another entry point. Oh, I know why. I know why. I'm sorry. I know why. I know why. My BNB short is open to the swing short. But I closed Matic because it's a weekend, and I know I familiar with BTC over the last 3 weekends, and I saw in the chart that every weekend he does the same show, and I was not far away from my entry on my Matic short, so I rather to close with the profit instead of taking the BTC pressure if it pumps in the weekend.
Yeah,
I
that's
hope
fair.
it, I hope you see the reason. Like this is my point of view. So if he acts silly this weekend, I'm not shorting Medic till it comes down. Hmm. Oh,
Well, AAVE, the conversion line is through the price though, no? I'm on the 1 hour chart. Yeah. 4 hours not too bad. So I guess this is a long one then. Alright.
Why is it not showing me the same period of like the same? I have no lows under this point of price in Ivy. That's why. Yeah, I'm switching to Binance. There you go.
I mean, yeah, why not? I don't need to put in my calculator. My stop loss will be massive. I'm gonna have fat stop loss. Maybe 50. 56,039. Wait, you're shorting INJ as well? Oh yeah, I could see INJ, that's not too bad. 1 to 4 hour. I don't know. I think it's a bit ambitious. I reckon it'll be chewed up. It must have like a really, really low limit order.
Yeah, I was about to say like it's a gunshot.
No, that was the ambulance.
Yeah.
No, I think it's like
Oh, we
when
have those the stuff here. Yeah, sometimes every day.
it's just I think there's like compression on the microphone, so you only hear like the top part, and then it drops off. So it sounds weird.
Yeah. I may have an example as well that I found. I found something interesting as well, I think. Yeah, Unify, UNFI is the tick. Looks like it on its final leg down to nothing on a daily. Well, maybe another small resistance. But I got a much longer chart on Bybit. I think so, yeah. It's longer than that. On a daily, yeah? On what? On what? Oh, you're on a weekly now? Wait. On Bybit. There you go. Like on the daily, it's longer than what I saw. Wait. Uh, oh, okay. Yeah. So where should I like take the charts from? Hmm.
It's dot and matic, but you don't want to touch matic. Oh, long. I thought you meant short. And matic and dot short.